Hi everyone, welcome to this House Tech Talk. Here's the dilemma many golf cart owners face. My lead-acid battery still works. Is it really worth spending big on a lithium upgrade? More and more golfers are making the switch, but the debate on whether it's worth it never seems to stop. In this video, we're not here to tell you yes or no, but to break down the real differences. By the end, you'll know exactly what's right for you. Let's start with how golf carts actually work. They may look simple, but the demands are much higher than you think. Frequent starts and stops, long rides, and the heavy load when going uphill. These factors really put the power system to the test. That means it requires quick, responsive torque for starts and hills, as well as a drive system capable for long-lasting, stable power with excellent thermal stability. And for many owners, this is exactly where the problems start. You've probably felt this before. The battery still shows charge, but the cart feels weak. Slower starts struggling uphill. It still moves, but it doesn't feel right. At that point, it is not about capacity, it's about output stability under load. With many lead-acid batteries, voltage drops under heavy load, and that leads to a significant loss in performance. In contrast, with higher energy density, lithium batteries store more power in a smaller, lighter package. More importantly, this enables them to deliver sustained, stable power at higher loss. That's why after switching to lithium, most users don't say it's faster, they say it's more stable. The power delivery is smooth and consistent, with no loss of strength along the way. On top of that, lithium batteries typically last 3 to 6 times longer than the acid batteries, meaning fewer replacements and lower long-term costs. In addition to performance, battery maintenance is also a major concern for many owners. With the acid batteries, you have to regularly check the electrolyte levels, top up the water, and deal with the heavy, cumbersome batteries. With the lithium, most of them goes away. They are lighter, require little maintenance, and often free up extra storage space. Lithium batteries also perform better in cold temperatures, maintaining stable power without the drastic drop-off seen in the acid batteries. And from an environmental perspective, lithium batteries are more recyclable and eco-friendly compared to the acid options. So, here is the big question. Is it switching from the acid to lithium worth it? The answer is simple. It all depends on your need. If you use your golf cart frequently and want long-term, hassle-free performance, switching to lithium is definitely worth it. But if you only use it occasionally or plan to sell soon, upgrading might not be necessary. Ultimately, it is not about whether to switch to lithium, it's about the kind of driving experience you want. Thanks for watching DC House Tech Talk. Subscribe, like the video, and let us know what you want to see next in the comments.